Well, the summer's coming and we got these 3 chairs. They're older. They're not really antique, but very old. You can see we're missing a bar on that one. That one has the bars. That one has the bars. This one's missing a bar over here. Somebody put a piece of wood in there. You come around the back. That one looks pretty good. This one's messed up, and this one looks pretty good. So what we're going to do is we're going to sacrifice this center chair here, and we're going to cut it up some and use it for parts, but restore the other 2. So we're going to start with this one, which we are going to take apart. Looks like we can get a Phillips screwdriver and take out some screws and be good. So we're going to go look for that and see if we can get the bottom of that one apart. So each one of these chairs has some screws in the back here to hold it together. Nice thing here is we can get these pieces out here and be able to use them over. If to get ourselves a dead blow hammer, get that apart. Alright, so the dead blow hammer wasn't easy to get at, but we tried this one. That worked. That worked. Here we go. So let's see, out of this one, we need to lower. We need this lower bar out of this one, and we need a lower one out of here. Ooh, look at that. Got that piece out. We got that one out, so that's cool. Got to get this out. Okay. Well, you can see there's some little nails holding some of this together. We'll get those out. This one we'll be able to put in there. Now we got to take this apart. That. And we got the lower one here. Get the nail out. Well, we got the rest of this. Put the rest apart. We're going to experiment with taking these off. So these are all the other parts that we're going to keep. So we want to try to take these off. We're going to try this pliers thing. Oh yeah, it worked pretty good. Yep. Not bad. Get this other one flipped up. These are the pieces we need to put in. You can see we got a nail in this one. Gotta get that. Ooh, I cracked that a little, but that's okay. We gotta get this one out. Oh man, that broke off. Let's see if we can get this side out. Ooh, it looks like we were able to get them out. Looks like we got another one in here. We were able to get them out. Apparently somebody had a dog, a little chewing. But that's good. Let's get the piece out of there. Let's see if we can get the stuff going together. Looks like this one we'll be able to put in fairly easy. Push this apart, be able to put it in. We're going to get our glue before we do that. And this one needs a little bit of taking apart. That somebody used a Torx screws in this one, so that's pretty funny. We have to change our bit to Torx. Oh, we got our wood glue and our nailer. Oh, the first thing we're going to do with this one, to try to put this in, we're going to have to loosen our base a little. To do that, we're going to put the screw gun on these. The head's broke off on that one. That ain't real good, is it? But I don't have that being loose. Now, that's pretty tight. Okay, we got this one where we can get it apart and together now. So that's good. Might be able to pop this together more. There we go. Okay. So we're going to put some glue on that. And we got to put glue on this one and get it in. So we're going to see if that's going to fit. Yep, test fit works. What we're going to do is we're going to put some glue here. Pull this apart. And we'll put some glue in here. The beauty is we can put that in there, put this in here, kind of pop this together. Yeah, we'll come in here and some nails. Just pull this in a little bit. Yeah, that's good. Again here. It's got that one in pretty good. This is still a little loose. Let's see if we can re-glue these by taking these screws out a little bit. Get it out. Yeah, that's pretty loose. Let's take this one out. See, that's part of the problem. The heads are broke off. Yep. Must have pushed against here and didn't get it up. All the way up, okay. In case of some of these, we can use one of the old screws. Help tighten that up. And that's got that one pretty good. And we're gonna let that one sit. It's pretty tightened up. Let's take a look at this one. This one's a little different. Here we go. All right, that's nice. Very nice. So here we go. We got our chairs fixed. 2 out of 3, but we got 2 nice chairs. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my 2 good hands. We'll catch you in the next video on restoring something on the cheap. So here we got these 3 chairs for nothing, and look at what we have now. We've got 2. Hey, maybe we'll put them in a thrift store and sell them somewhere. Catch you in the next video.